In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Adobe Acrobat. First, you'll need to open your PDF. This is the document that you want to edit. When you open Adobe Acrobat, navigate to the File menu at the top left of your screen, click on it, and then select Open. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse your computer, locate the PDF file you wish to modify, and click Open again. This action brings your PDF into view. You will see the document load on the screen, ready for editing. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for all your subsequent changes. Next, go to Tools, then Edit PDF or just Edit in newer versions. You can find the Tools option on the upper left side of the Acrobat window. Once you click on Tools, a new menu will appear. Look for the Edit PDF option, which may be displayed as simply Edit in some recent updates. Clicking this will enable you to make changes to the text and images within your PDF. This step activates the editing mode, allowing you to modify any text elements. Without this, your PDF remains locked for changes, so it is essential to remember this action. Now click the text you want to change. As you hover over the text in your document, you will notice the cursor changes to a text selector. Click directly on the text you wish to edit. This action highlights the text and makes it editable. A bounding box appears around the selected text, indicating that you have successfully activated the editing feature. This step is important because it ensures you are working on the correct section of the document. You are one step closer to achieving your desired font size. On the right panel, find the Format panel. After selecting your text, look to the right side of your screen. You will see a panel that contains various formatting options. It is typically labeled as Format. This panel is your control center for modifying the text. It provides access to all the essential tools you need to customize your font, including size, style, and color. This step is significant because it puts all the necessary editing tools at your fingertips, making the process smooth and efficient. Within the Format panel, locate font size. In this section, you will see a drop-down menu or a field displaying the current font size. This size is usually indicated in points like 12 or 14. Click on this font size option to reveal a list of available sizes. This is where you can increase or decrease the size of your text. Understanding how to adjust font size is critical for ensuring your document's readability and overall aesthetics. Increase or decrease the size. You can do this by either selecting a new size from the list or typing in a specific number. For example, you might change the font size from 10 to 12 or even 18 if you want a larger appearance. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the text in your PDF. You will see the changes happening in real time, which helps you gauge how the new size looks. This step is essential because it allows you to tailor your document to your preferences, enhancing its visual impact. Finally, click outside the text to apply your changes. Once you are satisfied with the new font size, simply click anywhere outside the highlighted text area. This action will finalize your changes and remove the text selection. You might see the text adjust slightly, reflecting the new settings you applied. This ensures that your edits are saved and the formatting is properly established. With this final step, you can confidently move on, knowing you have successfully changed the font size in your PDF. Thank you for following along. You now know how to change font size in Adobe Acrobat, enhancing your document's readability and appearance.